To replace the battery in your hearing aid, hold the sides and gently open the compartment using the nail grip. Carefully push out the old one, making sure to dispose of it safely. If you won't be using your hearing aid for a few days, remove the power source to help preserve its life. To prevent damage, try to hold your hearing aid over a soft surface while working on it. Next, take your packet of new batteries and line up the one you want to use. Push it out of the pack, then turn the packet to position the next one for easier access next time. Peel off the sticker from the positive side of the new cell and ensure there is no sticky residue left behind. Ideally, let it breathe for 60 seconds before placing it into the device. This step helps extend its life, which typically lasts 7 to 10 days. Place the new battery, positive, flat side up, into the compartment. Gently push the door closed. By following these steps, you'll ensure your hearing aid remains in great working condition.